Hey everyone, what's up? Today in this video, I will show you how you can turn on dark mode in Snapchat. This video is going to be very easy and helpful for you, so please hit the subscribe button for your support. Now let's start the video. The first step is, open the Snapchat app in your mobile phone. Now tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap this gear icon to access the settings. Scroll down to the app appearance. Just tap on this. Here you can see your Snapchat is in light mode. Now change it with always dark. And that's it. Now you can enjoy the dark mode in your Snapchat app. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.